Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Moto Unplugged for Digital Wellbeing on your Motorola Signature smartphone. First of all, you're gonna have to open the Moto folder, and in this folder, go to Moto Unplugged application. Tap Get Started. Then let's go through the introduction. Tap Start. Now we're gonna have to give the application the permissions like this, and then return to this screen. Tap Continue. Now we can customize our focus mode by selecting the allowed applications that we are allowed to use during our focus. If you want to add an application here, just hit the checkbox next to it and tap Save. Here you can customize the app layout and then tap Save to apply. Then also wallpaper, so that you can distinguish Moto Unplugged from the regular mode. Now interruptions that are allowed, for example, calls from contacts, messages, notifications, alarms, and calendars. And also requiring a password. Tap Start, and then tap Got It, and then select the session time. You can use one of the preset session times, like 15 minutes, half an hour, or 2 hours. No time limit or custom limit. So let's set a limit to 1 minute and tap Start. Got it. And right now we are in the Motorola Unplugged, or basically the focus mode. If you want to leave this mode, you just have to tap End right here, and then tap Yes, and then either use your fingerprint or a PIN code to confirm this action. This will make you leave the Motorola Unplugged menu. Now, this mode can also be activated from the quick settings menu, so swipe it down, then we're gonna have to scroll to the second page, find Motorola Unplugged here, and tap on it, and then once again set up the mode, the session, and start it once again. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.